Hi, ever wondered why companies are flocking to the cloud? Discover the key drivers behind their migration journey and uncover the tantalizing benefits awaiting them. I'll spill the beans on the main reason behind the move. From scalability to agility, discover how the cloud can transform your business into a 5-star establishment. Join me for an exciting 4th episode of our Cloud Kitchen. From recipe to reality, how to turn up mess into a masterpiece with the right cloud migration plan. In this sizzling video, I will uncover the secret ingredients behind successful cloud migration and explore why some companies end up with a recipe for a disaster. Just like crafting a delicious dish, each ingredient plays a crucial role. I will guide you through the process, ensuring you don't miss a single flavorful step. Get ready to savor the cloud migration journey. Feel free to join me.